What's in the box? What's in the box?
Hey, welcome to another episode of Dumbboxing. This is another reshoot. Cause my fucking SD card keeps failing. I think I'm gonna have to start putting these right onto the computer as soon as I film them. So, let's get into this Dumbboxing here. Today, we're going to be opening a Joystick-It. This is off of Wish. I paid $1 for this. And what this is a little joystick that goes onto the phone. Just like, yeah, get out of here. Look at this little guy. It's all silvery. I got the silver one. They had different colors, but it didn't let me pick. You got the suction cup on the bottom and this touchpad. So let me grab the cell phone. Should have been ready. You already filmed this before. So stick it on there, and you joystick it. Get it? You get it? You fucking joystick it. Hey, I can see myself in it. Looking alright. Yep, I sees it. So yeah, that goes on there. Let's test this out. Alright, here we up. And we're dead already. We're fucking dead already. Alright. Let's go down. 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 Up. Down. Hold up. Let's fix this. Alright. Down. Got it. Left. Left. Up. This is hard to do. This is hard to film. Hip. Down. Over. Hip. Hip. And I'm dead. Can I hold this with my chin? No, this time's out. Oh, you're gonna make it. Oh, it's working pretty well. Go down. Over. Oh, I fell off. See, that's the problem. I mean, it's hard to do. I bet you if I could do this with two hands. That's. Yep. Down. Over. Down. Oh yeah, that's great. That's fucking spectacular. When you have full control of your phone, it's spectacular. Look at that. It's like I'm in the arcade. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. It's like I'm in. Oh, go. Only problem, this thing slides on the phone. It doesn't lock in very well. No, no. Go. Oh, I'm gonna die. Hurry up. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Yeah, it slides on the phone a lot. So, yeah, it's great. It's like, makes you feel like you're really playing an arcade game, but if you're trying to set some high scores, this isn't the device to help you do that. But, yeah, so that's the stick-it. Oh no, it fell off! Alright, so yeah, it works. I mean, you gotta be careful with it because it slides around on your phone. But it works. I give it a 6 out of 10. I give it a 6 out of 10. It does what it's supposed to do. Works for playing Pac-Man, which I was enjoying, so I think I'm gonna go play some Pac-Man right now. So what I need you to do is I need you to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to see some more of these dumb unboxings. Man, this seems like a real short one. I better played a bunch of this fucking game. So I will catch you on the next episode of Dumbboxing. And hopefully it won't be a reshoot and it'll be a lot better than this one. I feel like this was mediocre at best. Fucking mediocre at best. Hey!
It's unboxing, bitch. You don't know what it is. Need to do. Why till I open up my eyes and the box open wide.